Hello everyone, welcome back. Greetings from TCC. So now the whole shopping cart code is now available for us here, shoppingcart.cs. Now let's try to implement this code in our all the previous pages. So basically we have to make certain changes in the login page. So let me show you what changes we have to make here at the login page. So let's go to login.aspx.cs, and you all know we have created session objects here. Okay, you all can see like session object we have created, and we have made the entry their email, mobile and address. All these three things are required basically when the user finally checked out or check out. Okay, so we need all this information like his or her email ID and the mobile number and the address, of course. So one more thing, we have to make the entry here. So when the user is like successfully has logged in, we also have to give him a empty cart. Okay, and that can be maintained in the session object. So let's see how to do that. So the very first thing what we have to do, we have to create the object of the shopping cart. So the namespace of shopping cart was the namespace. So have a look. Sorry, the namespace is final year project. Okay, make sure you also check it properly. So the namespace is final year project. I'm not using it properly, so I'm just mentioning the namespace here itself. So inside the namespace, okay, we need to get the object of cart. There were two classes, cart and cart item. We have to create the object for the cart for the user. That means we are giving an empty cart to the user. So cart C, that's the object name, and say new, and again the same finally a project dot cart bracket open close semicolon. That means you have just created the object of it, okay, which is not in use. C is the cart for the user, and then store this in the session object so that we are going to use it when the user add products into the cart. So we'll try to fetch the cart object from the session object, and we'll try to add all the items in which user is interested in buying. So equal to C, that means we have created one more entry in the session object naming C, or you can give it a proper name like cart, and we have just stored this cart object here in the session object. So this is the like two lines we have made the changes here in the login page. Make sure you do it properly. So email ID, mobile addresses, and even the card is now there in the session object. So that's it from this video. Thank you so much.
That's all guys from this video. If you really like this video, press like button and do subscribe to our channel. If any queries or suggestions, do comment below. For more such updates, follow us on Instagram and Facebook.